Hello everyone. Today in this class we are going to learn about fungal disease in poultry. The fungal diseases are significant concern for poultry farmers, impacting the productivity and profitability. Aspergillus is one of the most prevalent fungal pathogen affecting the poultry, leading to the respiratory distress and other complications. Let us explore what is this fungal disease and how the aspergillosis is causing harm to poultry farmers. Aspergillosis. This is also known as Brooder's pneumonia, which is caused by aspergillosis, which is a fungus, and this is commonly known as Brooder's pneumonia, as it commonly affects the young chicks. The main culprits for this disease is Aspergillus fumigatus and Aspergillus flavus. Aspergillus fumigatus is the most common culprit behind the avian aspergillosis. Aspergillosis flavus can also contribute this disease. Recognizing the respiratory aspergillosis in birds, the symptoms are dyspnea, which is difficulty in breathing, increased respiratory rate, and silent gasping are the respiratory signs. Neurological signs includes incoordination and poor balance, whereas ocular signs where we will find opacity on the eye surface. Postmortem clues. The postmortem clues are nodules, where white creamy nodules on the air sacs, viscera, and within airways, which causes obstruction to the airflow. Nodules are seen near the syrinx, lead to severe airflow obstruction and silent gasping. Rare occurring of fungal mass is seen in the brain, and you can find here the aspergillosis nodules which are taken from the lungs of a broiler chicken. Understanding the disease path is very important to control the disease. The main source of infection is contaminated eggs, and if the hatchery is contaminated with this aspergillosis, and also if there is a contaminated litter, these are the three main sources of infection. One is contaminated eggs, two is hatchery contamination, three is contaminated litter. If there is a contamination in the above sources, through the above sources, then the process, infection process start. That means the candida will be inhaled, so that the hyphae develop in the respiratory tract. So what are the pathological effects which are seen in this disease? We will observe the severe inflammation, tissue necrosis, and dissemination through blood. The impact is high mortality and morbidity is seen in young birds. Transmission does not takes place directly from the bird to bird, but it is mainly through these contaminated sources like contaminated eggs, hatchery contamination, and contaminated litter. Prevention and treatment is clean eggs. Use clean and fumigate them before the incubation. Hatchery hygiene is very important. That means regular cleaning and disinfecting hatcheries. Aspergillosis monitoring. That means whether the aspergillosis is is there or not. One has to monitor it. Clean environment. That means use clean, mold-free litter and feed. Thank you for listening.